So if I were to give advice to someone who is just starting to look for a house, before talking to realtors and getting excited about houses they're not sure if they can afford or not, I highly recommend getting pre-approved. And what that involves is just a list of paperwork, tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, that kind of thing, and a credit check, just to make sure that what you're looking at is going to be within the realm of what you can afford. And also, we can walk through what your payment's going to be, what the tax ramifications are, so you know exactly how much at the end of the day is going to be your final number at the end of the month. One of the common mistakes is people pay off their credit cards or close them out to look like they don't have any credit. In fact, the lenders like to see credit, and I would highly recommend to not close out any credit cards. You can pay them down, but just make sure you have enough for a down payment. Other things, try not to switch careers or jobs, as you're looking for a home. They want to see things consistent for a number of years, both in credit, employment, and assets, to get the best house. So one of the advantages of working with a mortgage broker is the fact that we have access to almost 50 banks. And what's nice is, people have two options. They can go to their bank or to a mortgage broker. Going to a mortgage broker is like walking into 50 banks at the same time. So in that way, we can make sure you have the right rate and the right program to fit whatever needs you have. And there's no additional fee. The rates are usually even better than the bank you're walking into. And you can ensure you're having the best product at the right time. Over the last 3 years, it's been very challenging for any loan officer or any mortgage broker. And the people who are left really are the cream of the crop. These are the folks that have lasted. They've done that through reputation and competence. And the fact that having a mortgage broker on your side, making sure they go to the bank that is the best fit at that time for a smooth transaction. And what's nice also is you make sure you have a very fast transaction. Some of the banks that people walk into, there's only a few direct lenders left, like Bank of America and Wells Fargo. It could take quite a long time since they're so bombarded by people walking in. We have access to banks that are just as good or better, and they're a lot quicker as well.